Good morning, guys. How's everybody doing? I'm currently in Dehradun. Not exactly in Dehradun, but pretty close from Dehradun. And we're actually on our way to the Drikung monastery, not too far away from Dickyiling Tibetan settlement. Today is the 9th day, also of the second month of the Tibetan calendar. So it's an auspicious day, and there's something special happening at the monastery. This particular monastery belongs to the Kagyu lineage. So that's where we're going. We want to go do some puja, make sure that we take part in this auspicious day. So that's where we're going. I'm here with my sister, and then right in front of me, right there, is my dad and mom. It's a good 20 to 25 minutes walk from Tibetan settlement. And now look at it. We're already here. Just look at this. If you guys can see everything in the backdrop right there. I'm not sure how well you can see, but that's the monastery right there. How beautiful is the background? Just look at that. How beautiful is that? Currently the time is 10:09 a.m. So we may be a little bit late. Typically you go to the temple, monastery earlier in the day, like 6 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, latest by 8:30, I guess. But we're running a little late. But I sincerely believe it's better late than never. So here we go, guys. Look at that. Oh. Now we're inside the temple. And this is what it looks like. Look at that. Looks like the building behind me is their classroom for these young monks. Man, look at that. Young ones here. A lot of young monks. So this is Drikung monastery in Dickyiling. We always say Dickyiling, but it's not exactly in Dickyiling. As you may know, we have to walk about 20 to 25 minutes from Dickyiling.
In between Dickyiling and Rajpur.
Yeah, in between Dickyiling and Rajpur. Yep. Now let me show you how magnificent it looks from here. I've been here several times. So right here, guys, enjoy this fantastic view from here. Stenzen Kunchap. Stenzen Kunchap. No khazera. Lochur va. Alla ani pala amla khabaya. Oh. Lada. The cottages can mado dela. Masese. Topsera. Alla. Stenzen. Having a chocolate. He's 10-year-old. His name is Tenzin, and he's from Ladakh. Wow, he's only 10 years old, and then he's from all the way Ladakh.
His favorite subject is English.
Yeah, that's exactly what it said. Now look at this, guys. How beautiful is this? Leo right here. How beautiful is this? This is Drikung monastery, close to Dickyiling. Look at a lot of young ones right here. Look at these, oh my God. I've been here several times, and every time I come here, it gives me a great deal of peace. Really, I don't just say this. You know, there's something about this place. Not just this place, actually most Buddhist monasteries, when you visit these places, it gives you so much joy and a certain degree of calmness within yourself. And that's exactly what I'm feeling. Now let me show you what it looks like from here. Just look at that. Look at this. See, that's how you call for lunch, I believe. That's the call for lunch. Or maybe it's the call for something else, maybe for a class. But I know it's a call for something. For lunch or for class. One of the two. Guys, look at the backdrop of this monastery. How spectacular is that? Guys, I'm wondering if you can see these buildings, these big buildings over there. These are apartments that just, I think they started popping up a few years ago. There used to be nothing right there. So now, you know, Dehradun, between Dehradun and Sahastradhara, it's just developing like there's no tomorrow, super fast. There are a lot of new buildings coming up. And land around this town has now skyrocketed so much. What used to be a few thousand rupees is now several 100,000 rupees. So that's how this area is developing at this incredible pace. Look at that. Look at those buildings. I'm pretty sure you can't see very well because GoPro doesn't do a good job of defining depth as far as, you know, showing faraway objects or buildings are concerned. Look at that. Alright, my family's waiting for me because I have this important bag with me, because that's something you need when you enter this particular room that has so this right here is the home for Drikung Achichedun. This is the name of the deity of this monastery. So this is what we are here for today. Any of you who can read Tibetan can read this right here. Look at that. I don't want to embarrass myself, so I'm not going to try to read it. Let's see something. It's a little dull. I'm not sure I'm supposed to ring it. Oh, yeah, there it is. So yeah, I might as well do this. There's so many people inside. I'm sure if you can see this, there's so many people inside. I don't want to squeeze in right now, and I'm not sure if I'm even allowed to enter with my camera in the hand, because that might be disrespectful, it might be inappropriate. So I'm just gonna turn it off here and see what's happening inside. I'll see you guys later. Guys, I just asked them and they said it's okay to film in here. So that's why I'm doing this, just so you guys know I'm not being disrespectful. I did ask them and they said it's perfectly fine. So let me show you what's happening in here. Look at the courtyard. Look at the beautiful courtyard. These are residents for the monks. And then you have seen the classroom in a little further down. All right, guys, we're finally done with what we came here to do. How did it go, Sis? What do you think?
It went really well. There was a lot of people, but it was very satisfying.
Nice. Now it's going to be another 20 to 25 minutes walk back home. The temperature is about 75 degrees, so it's not super warm. But if you keep walking, it just makes you sweat a little bit. It is 10:46, so it didn't take a whole lot of time. The day is still early. We don't know what we're going to do for the rest of the day. But I'm sure we'll figure something out. We only have a couple more days here in Dehradun. And we want to make sure that we use it to the fullest. We don't want to just sit home and do nothing. Namaste bhai. आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम है दीपक पंडित।
दीपक पंडित। आप ये ऑटो आपका है?
सर मैं रेंट पे चलाता हूँ।
अच्छा। अभी कोई लेके आया?
आप रजत का भाई है?
आपको जाना है क्या सर?
नहीं हम ऐसे पूछ रहे हैं।
अभी तो मैं ही लेके आया इसको।
अच्छा।
अभी चार्जिंग पे लगा रखा हूँ।
अच्छा। ओ ये बैटरी का है। ओ तो इसमें पेट्रोल नहीं है?
पेट्रोल नहीं।
Oh, look at this guys. This thing runs on battery. So he's actually charging it right here.
ये माउंटेन वाला ऑटो है ये।
Oh, अच्छा. Yeah, see, he said this runs in the mountains. So yeah, that's good to know. So even India is now running on electric. Yep, that's a good thing. Thank you, भैया.
सर आपका टैटू बहुत अच्छा लगा।
अच्छा, टैटू अच्छा लगा? Thank you. हाँ, मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा। तो आप भी बना लो।
मैंने आज तक कहीं बनवाया नहीं, मैं थोड़ा सा बनवाया था, मिट गया।
छोटा है, अच्छा।
अब थोड़ा बड़ा बनवाना।
उंगली तो मेरे पास भी है। ये तो जानते नहीं, ये तो सब बनाते हैं। आपको मालूम है क्या लिखा है? ओम माने पे हूँ तो सबको पता है।
मैं भी तिप्पी वो कौन सा भाषा है?
हाँ, तिप्पी
भाषा में लिखवाऊंगा।
हाँ, लिखो तिप्पी भाषा में, मंत्र लिखो। और मंत्र तो सब में है, हिंदू में तिप्पी एक ही मंत्र है। चलो भैया चलते हैं। Guys, I'm currently on Sahastradhara Road, and I'll show you the development that has taken place on this road. This used to be totally empty. There's nothing here. A bunch of trees and then an empty road. But today there's so many things going on here. A lot of small shops, a lot of restaurants, and then also a lot of apartment buildings. Just look around. See, there's a small restaurant right here, and then right in front of me is a huge apartment. I'll show you right there. This particular place is turning out to be one of the most expensive when it comes to land price, real estate in the Dehradun area. Look at that. And our Tibetan camp is just right there. It's almost attached. You know, there used to be a lot of empty space, like I said, not anymore. All the way from Dehradun up to Sahastradhara, there's very few empty land now. See, there's a cafe right here. Cafe. And then look at this new building right here. I'm not sure if this is a brand new building, but I know this is pretty new. Sahastradhara Heights. Look at this. Now my sister is being generous again, like always. And look at this, here's another apartment over here. I didn't know she was waiting for us. Did it? See this right here, Wagma's Garden Restaurant. We've been there once. My parents have been there a few times, they said. You know, I've only been here once. It takes a little bit of time to get your food, but they do make pretty good food. Yeah, and pretty good, you know, pretty reasonable price too.
Once the food arrives, and it's to die for.
Oh, yeah, when the food arrives, it's to die for. Absolutely. Good food. Wow. Now guys, I'll show you a brand new building that's coming up. And I'm not sure what it's gonna be. It looks like it's gonna be some sort of grocery store. You know, maybe even a mini mall too. I don't know. It's pretty big and it looks kind of nice too. Let's take a look. Look at that, guys. That's a big building right there. I like that name on it. It says toothpick. Different. Yeah, it takes a good 20 to 25 minutes to the monastery from the Tibetan camp here. Look at these fruits. See, look at the color of this watermelon. Very different from back home. It looks good. I need something really cold. Oh, this is so satisfying. Very satisfying. Limca is found only in India, I think. If I'm not wrong, because I can't find it in the US. Maybe Pepsi, Coke, Sprite, a bunch of other stuff, but not Limca. I think this is only unique to India. So guys, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I appreciate it if you guys could give it a like. And I'll see you.
Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next vlog.
That would be great if you could do that. If not, it's totally fine as long as you give it a like. All right, hopefully we'll see you in the next vlog.